Adventures with Alphabet Animals, the amazing letter A. Welcome to the Alphabet Animal Adventures. Today we embark on a fantastic journey with the amazing letter A.
Hey pals, are you ready for an awesome adventure?
Absolutely. What's our mission today, Alex?
Yeah, tell us.
We're on a quest to find objects that start with the letter A. Apple. Airplane. And anchor.
Yay, let's get searching.
Look, apples, they start with the letter A.
Awesome!
An airplane! Amazing work, ants!
And an airplane starts with the letter A.
Look over there! An anchor by the river!
Anchor starts with the letter A. That's an impressive anchor. Wow, we learned so many words that start with the letter A. Do you remember what they are? Apple, ant, and anchor.
Through their adventure, Alex, Ava, and Andy discovered amazing objects that start with the letter A. Can you spot other words that start with the letter A? Did you spot them? Axe, astronaut, acorn, angel, ape. You did it! Great job! See you soon!